Hello children, let's learn conjunctions today. Conjunctions are joining words. They join two or more words, phrases or sentences. Conjunctions are also called connectors. Let's look at the following examples. He fell off his cycle and hurt his knee. He is rich but miser. Number 3. You can go up to the temple or go there by a helicopter. The crops dried up because it did not rain at all. You will get a scholarship if you come first in the class. She was tired, so she went to sleep. He slipped as he was climbing up the stairs. The words like and, but, or, because, if, so, as are conjunctions, uses of conjunctions. And we use and to join two sentences having similar ideas or to add information. For example, this Tuesday is a holiday and I would like to watch a movie. Next example, Anika and Tarini are good friends. Next conjunction is but. We use but to join the sentences that contrast with each other or have an opposite ideas. For example, Emil runs fast but he gets tired soon. My sister is active but my brother is lazy. These examples are showing contrast. Next conjunction is or. We use or to express choice between two or more options. For example, you can take an apple or a pomegranate. There is a choice. Who wrote this letter? Garvita or Garima? Next is because. We use because to tell a reason for something. For example, Shivansh could not go to school because he missed his bus. The reason is there. Naitik spoke quietly because he didn't want Naman to hear. There is a reason. Next is if. We use if to express a condition. For example, if you are cheerful, you will work better. If Piyush will make coffee, I will surely drink. There is a condition. Next is so. We use so to tell the result of something. Here, the focus is on the result. For example, Akshaj was hungry, so he was looking for a restaurant. The weather was cold, so we took our warm clothes. Next is as. We use as when we want to focus more on the result than the reason. I went to bed early as I was feeling tired. We see them quite often as they stay near us. The focus is on the result. Now let's do an exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Her writing is good, dash, but as spellings are weak. Do you like writing, dash, reading? The options are and or. I saw a deer, a hippo, dash, a lion in the zoo. Viraj remains cheerful, dash, he is pure of heart. Dash, it rains, I will wear raincoat. Dear students, write the answers in the comment section. I will mention the names of the students who will give the right answer in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.